Welcome to Garbage Garage. So a few weeks ago I put few European coins to eBay bag, and yeah, this is the thing that it gave me back. That's the paint for a tire. Yeah, it's not the reason that it makes for its universal paint marker, but I'm gonna use that for painting my tires. Okay, let's see how it goes. Actually, I'm surprised. It kind of works well. We'll do a couple of layers more, and yeah, I think that's gonna work very well. As for a few coins, it was very, very good purchase, I guess. So yeah, let's paint that. Who needs this? Sok. Kietapos. Taip, bet neįtapus. Well, looks good. I felt like it again by coloring that book. Okay, so see you later.